y'all, so for this style, I'll be starting off on freshly washed hair. So my hair is kind of dry, so I'm going to go in and spray a little bit of water and rub that in. And then I'll be going in with my Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So now I'm just going to part my hair where I want it to be at. And for this, you can do a middle part or you can do a side part. And then I'll part it down going towards my ear. So once I get my parts how I want them, I'm just gonna clip that part up and then work on the back of my hair. So I'm just brushing it back with my Tangle Teaser, and this is just so my hair won't shrink up and become harder to get into a ponytail. So I'm just doing that to keep it stretched while I work on the front. So now I'm just going to detangle the front to make it easier to work with. Alright, so now I'm taking the end of my rat tail comb and putting it where I think my parts should be. And this is just to help to make sure I don't make my sections too big or too small. So I'm going to be using the Coconut Oil Eco Styler Gel, and this is just to slick the sections down and to make them look neat. So now I'm going to part it down the middle and try to get it in the center, of course. And then I'm just going to start putting the rubber bands in and kind of make like a crisscross pattern. When putting the rubber bands in, just make sure you don't put them too tight because you don't want to break your hair off. So if it feels too tight or like it's pulling, just kind of loosen it up. So now that I'm done with the front, I'm going to split my hair in half, and this is just because my hair is thick in the middle and I can't do a slick ponytail without doing sections. So if you don't have this problem with your hair, then you can go ahead and just slick your hair down into a ponytail, but I have to do mine in sections. So after I brush it down, I'm going to take some more of the Eco Style Gel, and this is just to get it slick so I won't have that big lump in the middle of my head. Alright, so now I'm just spraying the ends of my hair from the front section because my hair dries really fast, and I'm going to brush that through, and then I'm going to blend that in with the back of the ponytail. So So for the front, I'm going to take that side section and clip that up and then work on the middle of my head. So now that I'm done slicking down my ponytail, I'm going to take my rat tail comb, and this is just to slick it down more and just to give it that smooth look. And then I'm going to do my edges, which of course is optional, and then I'm going to go in with my edge brush. For about 10 minutes just so it can set and kind of dry a little. So this is the final look. Thank y'all so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed.